What's your approach to solving this?
So it would be 3 times 3 times without replacement. So 3 factorial times 2 factorial.
3 factorial times 2 factorial is what?
12. Oh, God.
No, it is. You want to calculate what? Total number of cases?
Yeah.
But maybe it's not this because maybe we select the first 3 reds. We don't know how many chips do we select, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we can write all possible cases. So can you tell me, and because we stop after selecting 3 red chips or 2 green chips, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 1. Do you need a hint or want to try again? If I want to solve, I use casework. Okay. For example, first selection. I don't want to calculate total number of cases and good cases. I want to use probability. Usually, we only calculate number of good cases and number of bad cases, and for example, total number of cases. So now I want to solve it with probability. Suppose that we select, for the first step, we select red or blue, red or green, right?
Yeah.
What's the probability to select a red in the first step?
Oh, 3 by 5.
What about green?
2 by 5.
2. So because we want to calculate number of good cases, if we select green, then in the next step, then we shouldn't select green, right?
Yeah.
We should select red, again red, again red, right?
Yeah.
So it is
Or
what
you could
then?
do
What? So what's the probability to select red for the second step?
3 by 4.
Yes, what about next one?
2 by 3.
And it's a bit better to place 2 over 5 here, okay, to understand it is related to this selection. And this one, 2 by 3, right? And what about the last one?
1/2.
Yes, so we can calculate this case. It is equal to what?
So 1/10.
It's 1/10, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, calculate this case. Do you need a hint for this one or want to try it on your own?
So if you pick 3 reds at first.
Yes, suppose that you select, in the first step, you select a red chip, okay?
And then you select another red.
We don't know. We should select, we should consider both of them. If you select, again, red or if you select green. Okay, so calculate it.
So you have a 1/2 chance of selecting a green and a 2 by.
Focus on this
Yeah,
part. This part is easier. If in the first step we select red, yes, for this one it is 1/2. But what about the rest? Calculate the rest and reach something like this. For example, 1/10. Calculate this one.
Then you can also select a red or a green, right?
No, in this case you cannot select green again because if you select 2 greens, 2 green chips, then the game will be stopped and it is bad, right?
Oh, okay.
Right.
So it would also be 1 by 10 again.
Okay, let's check. Again, we should select red and red, right?
Yeah.
So what's the probability of selecting this red?
2 by 3.
We select 1 red, 1 green. So yes, 2 by 3. And what about the last one?
1/2.
Yes, 2. You can cancel 2, 3, 1/10. Okay, calculate this one on your own.
So there could be green or red for that one.
Yes, you should consider both cases and calculate the final answer for the question mark.
So they all add up to 3/10.
Okay, let me check. For this one, two reds. Again, for the next part, we can select red or green. So 3/5, what's the probability of this red?
To 1/2.
No, this one is not 1/2. Try it. It's red.
Wait, why wouldn't it be by 2/4?
Uh, it is 2 by, okay, yes. 2/5. What about the next one?
1/3.
Exactly, so this one is 3/3. You can cancel. 1/2, 1/10. Okay. For this green, what's the probability of this green?
Uh, 2/3.
Yes, 2/3. Red, green. Then in the next step, we should select red. What's the probability to select red?
Uh, 1/2.
Yes, so 1/5 or 2/10. Yes, good job. So, what's the answer? What's the final answer equal to?
1/2.
Yes, exactly. 5/10 or 1.